The SEC released a video about meme stocks and their investors.
I'll take meme stocks. Invest!
Ouch. Your investment, Julie.
I'm going to do some research first.
Well played, Julie. Well played.
We can do research?
Investing is not a game. Always do your research before making an investment decision. Learn more at investor.gov. Before you invest, investor.gov.
So naturally, the intelligent internet reacted in a mature, concise, and they took it totally the wrong way. It's absolutely comical to me because they're not wrong, and it's the exact same reason why my videos back in the day did so well, because all I ever did was read the risk disclosure concerns from the AMC's annual filings. All I ever got was strawman arguments, ad hominem attacks attacking me personally, my physical appearance, racial backgrounds, saying I'm some sort of corporate shill or whatever, but not once did anybody ever attack the evidence. I mean, how could you? This is exactly what the company said themselves. My response to stuff like that still hasn't really changed, because what has AMC actually done to innovate to become an actual profitable company? You have to prove it in the finances. You can't just keep drumbeating NFT, metaverse, crypto, or using these buzzwords thinking that they're just going to somehow make money. Or how about this? Explain to me the detriments of the stock yield enhancement program your brokerage might be offering currently, or it might be called the stock lending program. I don't know what your brokerage is, but will this help or hurt AMC? Or explain to me how the adoption of crypto into AMC leads to them making more money. Are their sales just going to magically jump up? Is there some sort of, counterparty willing to guarantee a certain floor with the crypto that AMC exchanges with? What's the overall revenue after, let's say, the conversion, gas fees, expenses, so forth, all that sort of stuff, right? What really disheartens me is the large majority of them will never challenge themselves with a new type of research, but instead they'll opt to go back to the same style of research the SEC is portraying you to be. For example, they'll go to an e-celeb with a large following that only ever reads headlines of companies that they like, beat the drum and say the hype words, but nobody ever asks, like, how will this, drum beating, how will this company's new exploration ventures actually generate more revenue for them and keep their customers coming back? Let me know down in the comments. I feel like I'm not asking very difficult questions here, and I'll prove it by flipping. If I was to ask the SEC questions, I would say, so you say you want a fair, competitive, and transparent market. Why is it that disclosures still don't require people to disclose their short positions? And on top of that, why do the 13 FHRs have a 45-day delayed reporting/filing schedule and not something short or almost immediate to complement the advancement in new technology and the speed of new technology? As far as I know, they have to report to the TRF facility in 24 hours, but we don't get that TRF report till 2 weeks later. Honestly, I can keep going with this, but I think you get the point. I know the answers they'll probably respond with. I'm not saying I know them for sure or anything like that, but I think it'll fall something along the lines of, well, it would disrupt market stability or price stability or increase market volatility, which will cause larger losses, et cetera, whatever, that sort of thing, right? The problem, in my opinion, is that the American public doesn't methodically think or even ask the right methodical questions anymore. And honestly, I think this ad kind of achieved its goal. It was really on the nose. Just look at the stats itself. People are apparently so offended right now, you can't help but actually try to prove them wrong. Hopefully by asking better questions and doing deeper research. It's just too bad there aren't more people like the SEC that are goading you, trying to get you to do better research in front of you right now that you should subscribe to. Whether you agree or disagree, just remember, just because you're a day trader doesn't mean you have to trade every single day.